In this last video, I'm going to demonstrate the delete tool for the scene tools. We've already covered it a little bit, but essentially anything that is, if you click on the delete button, anything that's deletable will have a little delete icon above it. And if you click on that delete icon, it will remove that item from the scene. So tape measures, the delete icon floats above the body. So if I come in here and I delete, if I click on this, you'll see that tape measure will go away. Strings, the delete tool is floating in the midpoint of that string. And so if I click on that, note that we'll delete the string, but since this tape measure is attached to it, this tape measure will also get deleted. So I press that, and now those two things went away. Finally, if I delete a batter board and anything is attached to it, a string or a tape measure, those items will also get deleted. So if I come over here and delete this batter board, you'll notice the tape measure gets deleted. Delete and creation are undoable actions. So if you delete something and you decide you don't want to do that, you can undo that by clicking the undo tool.